Hi, it's Matt Cook here, manifestation coach, and in today's video I'm going to be diving into the power behind visualizing properly when we're seeking to manifest something into our life. So if you do find the video valuable as you're watching it, I'd really appreciate it if you could like it and share it, and if you haven't done so already, if you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be really appreciated. Now, today's video is slightly different. I'm not in the office, I'm here in the garden, I'm enjoying the sunshine. These videos aren't scripted. All I have are notes on my iPad that I'll probably be referencing as I go along. And I really want to talk about the power behind visualization, but talking about how we can do it properly, because so many people struggle with this concept. For a start, visualizing is a fundamental role of manifestation. You have to be governed by a vision for the future. Now, what I should say there is a state of being for the future that you can embody right now, because really all manifestation is attracting based on who we are right now. So you attract things into your personal reality based on your state of being, and your thoughts and your feelings create your state of being. That state of being is you, your personality. So your personality creates and reflects outside of you into your personal reality. So in order to change your personal reality, then really it just starts with thoughts. And a great analogy that I like to give is the mirror technique. Very simply, whenever we look into any mirror, it reflects back at us based on our personality and who we are. So if we smile into the mirror, we're going to see a smiley face. On the other hand, if we're sad, depressed and tearful, then of course we're going to get that representation. That is exactly what manifestation is. Yet a lot of people struggle with that, right? They think that if they're in lack right now, when they win the lottery or get the next pay rise or come into money, they'll feel abundant. It actually works in reverse. You have to be an abundant person right now. You have to change your personality in order to reflect that outside of you into your personal reality. Now, visualization itself plays a really important role, because it's important to firstly visualize that state of being and embody it right now, and secondly use that on vision boards, for example. The problem is though, people can become obsessed with the vision itself, and if they then don't start to see it materializing into their personal reality, they get frustrated, they get angry, they start to manipulate and control the manifestation, and by doing that itself actually stops the creation. So I've just written down something here that I want you to listen to, and in my opinion this will really help you understand why you might be going wrong with visualization and what you need to be doing with visualization. So in my opinion, visualization is for the purpose of creating a symbolic representation of an ideal outcome that gets you so excited about the possibility of that kind of an outcome that you get into the excited state that you need to be in, right? So I'm not saying specifically work out exactly who you're looking to become and what that life's going to look like. Visualization, the tool itself, should just be used to make you feel a certain way, right? So if you see an image, it triggers a feeling and an emotion, which will then put you in the state of being of the future. So hopefully that makes sense. So for example, if you're seeking abundance externally because you feel in lack right now, well, visualization, the tool there, should be used to see an image or powerful words, for example, that can represent an image for the future, but simultaneously right now makes you feel a certain way. Because the thoughts that we think are an electric charge into the unified quantum field that's all around us, and the feelings are magnetic. So if we can rehearse in our mind a vision for the future, that's the thought, that's the intention, so we can think thoughts of living an abundant life, but simultaneously it makes us feel abundant, for example, happy, excited and grateful. What that is doing is putting us in the state of being for the future right now, okay? So then once you are in that state of being, whether that's excited or abundant, for example, you then just drop the picture, okay? You let go and you let your higher self bring whatever it is that you're looking to manifest into your life in divine timing. So don't try and control when it's going to happen, because we live in a construct of time that we've fabricated ourselves, space, time, reality. It doesn't exist, it's just an illusion. So when there is a match in the field around us based on that visualization, it will show up in divine time. So the real power behind this is literally to surrender to it, to let go and allow in, and just show up in the state of being, the personality of that visualization, that vision for the future. And if you can do that and just embody those feelings and those emotions, you have shifted your vibration to be aligned with that vision for the future. So what I'm saying here in a roundabout way is just believe, let go, surrender and allow in. Drop the picture, because if you continue visualizing the picture and then continue trying to manipulate and control why it hasn't showed up in your life, then you are subconsciously, vibrationally, pushing yourself out of alignment. So I really hope that makes sense. Just to give you an example, I visualize and rehearse my future every single morning. I visualize who it is that I'm desiring to become. I make sure I feel the emotions of it. I then let go after meditation, and I act and I step into, like putting on a perfect glove, that vision for the future. My dream, my prayers have already been met, and I just wait for the manifestation then to show up in 3D, three-dimensional reality, in divine time. So I hope you found this video valuable. Any questions about what I've said, drop it in the comments below. Like I said, if you found this valuable, please like it and share it. And again, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week for another video. Take care.